Hey guys, Jack with Ride and Shine Detail here, and today we are going to be talking about ceramic coatings. So specifically, we're going to talk about this brand, System X, which we are an accredited installation center with them. We're not going to talk so much about how it's applied, etc. We have a lot of other videos. Run through the whole process of that. I'll link them down below. So System X is a professional line only, meaning you have to be an accredited installation center. The Renew coating, however, it's a 9+ month coating, can be bought at Amazon. It performs really well, but obviously it's not going to last as long as something like our 10-year coating. The most popular coatings people go for is what you see online all the time is the paint coating. So right here we have the 2 to 3 year coating. This is called Crystal. Then we have the 6-year coating called Pro, Diamond, which is 8 years. And we have Max. This is actually a newer version of Max called Max G+. Just came out with it at the 2023 SEMA event in Las Vegas. And what's interesting about this coating is it's 30% glossier, I believe is the number. And they came out with another version of Max specifically for satin and PPF and matte type finishes. So that's really nice to have if you have a vehicle with that kind of finish or protection on it. What's really great about System X is that almost all of their coatings register with Carfax, and their primary ceramic paint coatings come with a really good warranty. So the Crystal does not come with any warranty, but it does register with Carfax. Pro comes with a 6-year warranty. Diamond, the 8-year, comes with a lifetime warranty, and so does the 10-year coating Max. So these two come with lifetime, 6-year, and no warranty. And to keep these warranties active, it's pretty standard within the industry. You just have to bring it back to us once a year, and we apply what's called a top coat. We'll also give it a full exterior detail and a decontamination, so we'll do a clay bar, a very fine, ultra fine clay bar, just removing any decontaminants. We don't want to damage the coating with the clay bar, so that's why we use the ultra fine. And we do an iron removal. It takes about 2 to 3 hours. Now, you can also do things like the interior of your vehicle, which is less known, and they aptly named it interior. And you can do surfaces like vinyl, plastic vinyl, you can do the carpets, you can do leather, you can do essentially any interior material, and it's going to last for, I believe, about 2 to 3 years depending upon your use case. Then if we come over here, one of my favorites, glass. And this is nice because when you're driving on the highway and it starts to rain, it's almost like you don't even need to use your windshield wipers. The water is just beating off, flying left and right. And it's really nice as well is because you can see the actual hydrophobic properties in action, whereas with the paint, you're really only going to see that when you're washing the car, etc. So then we come over to our wheel coating. It goes on so we do the wheel faces, we take off the rims, we jack the car up, take off the rims, we can do the inside of the barrels, we can also do the calipers. If you have some nice painted calipers, we can coat those. We also have, which isn't shown here, it's called Extreme, which is more along the lines of marine coatings, so we don't really deal too much in that, as well as airplane components. And another coating we're missing here, we actually just did a car, I accidentally threw it out once we were finished, the bottle that is, called Revive. And so what Revive does is it restores your trim, so think really damaged, faded black plastic trim on the outside of your car, or even on the interior. So we can bring it from a really faded color, it's kind of looking white, back to its original factory black. Now, if you're not looking for a professional installer to do a ceramic coating, you just want to do it yourself, and you're just looking for something short term, you can do it maybe once a year, I'd recommend Renew. So obviously it comes in this box, 9+ months, same process as any kind of detailer would do it on a professional level. You still have to wash the car, you still have to decontaminate it, clay bar, paint decon, you should polish it. Yeah, it provides great protections, very slick, very glossy. Not only can you do it yourself, but we do offer this in the mobile version, so we can come to your house since we are primarily mobile detailing, and we can apply this for you. It starts at $399. And the in-studio coating prices and processes we can go over now. So level 1 comes with the 3-year coating Crystal. It comes with the 20% defect removal, so we just do a light polish. Usually this is something we do for people who aren't really concerned about doing any kind of polishing work. Still do need to do some polishing to get the coating bond working properly. So that is usually for people who just want to get the coating on, or if your car is looking absolutely perfect and it really doesn't even need that much correction. So we do a level 1 that starts at $499. Level 2 comes with a Pro, which is the 6-year coating. It comes with as well a 2-step paint correction, so we get about 75% of the defect removals out. So this is if your car is really swirled up, but so level 2, that is $12.99 to start at. Level 3 is a little different, so we start with an 8-year coating. We're going to go for perfection on a vehicle with this. We're going to get about 95 to 100% of the defects out, and you can upgrade to a 10-year coating for additional $100. Although each level has its own kind of ceramic coating, let's say you want to do a level 1 and you want the 10-year coating, that's perfectly fine. Your car, it doesn't need that much paint correction, but you don't want the 3-year coating, you want the 10-year. So what we do is you can just upgrade to the 10-year, the 8-year, the 6-year. And so once you've got your coating installed, what we're going to do is, what's really nice, I think if one of these guys has it, they have here it is. System X has a new system. They provide a little QR code. You probably can't see that. It's a little sticker as well that you put in your door jamb of your vehicle. And you can just scan that. You can get your warranty card info, your number, and you can also see your warranty status, etc., whether it was registered to Carfax. It's a really nice little touch that makes it easier to keep track of your warranty. Not only that, but what's really nice is System X will send you an email 30 days prior to the anniversary of your coating. And the significance of that is if you wait too long and you're in one of these 3 coatings, the 6-year warranty or the lifetime warranties, they'll let you know if you need to come back to us and have that top coat applied, this guy right here, so that you can maintain your warranty. So if you don't come back to us and have the inspection done or the top coat or crystal applied, then your warranty will be voided. It's very easy just to keep track of everything that way. And lastly, what we'll do as well, we'll put in your car one of these brochures. It not only just gives you an idea of all the other coatings that we have lined up here, but on the back side, there's another QR code. It's just their aftercare manual. So it will just run you through all the things, all the do's, the don'ts, especially what's most important, it will run you through how to maintain your vehicle within the, after picking it up. So what's important about after picking up your vehicle is you don't want to wash it for 3 days because it's still in the curing process technically. You can get it wet, but if it does get wet, just dry it right off. Don't use any chemicals. And after 3 days, you're good to go. And it will also just kind of run you through what to expect over its lifetime, how to maintain it, and get the best experience out of your coating. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.